Sorry guys, really don't have an intro, but you're going to do it every inch. And you're going to do the lines across it as y'all can see in the video. So just stay tuned to the rest of the video. Okay guys, so as y'all can see it's still dry, but I just finished and I really like it. I did have to still do touch strips on it, so I'll tell y'all afterwards it's done drying and then I add some touch ups. But as y'all can see here, paint spilled. My fingers right here, I'll zoom in, but paint spilled, so now I have to go get some stain remover and wipe it off my carpet. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, it's not done drying, so I just put it up here. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna need some major touch ups, like do the black over, because the white was just a tiny bit harder. So I got the black touch ups because it's the black that I got messed up. And right here, the white, I'm gonna fix that up too. So yeah, I think it turned out good, but now I have to do the other side. I'm scared, and I'm scared that there's not enough white paint, so I might have to finish this like later. So yeah, but I think it turned out cool. And plus they're Old Navy jeans, caprices, so they go down to like, let's see, down to like right here. And they're gonna be cute. And then as y'all can see, I have this right here, but instead it's gonna be checkered. Old Navy jeans. Just imagine it's checkered. It's gonna be cute. Okay, so I might not be in the same position I was when I first started, but whatever. I had it up on my desk and I don't know how it was at first, so yeah, lay that flat down. So I'm gonna time lapse it again so y'all don't have to watch this boring video of me doing it. So yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished and I'm gonna do the other side right now, so I'll see you afterwards. Okay, I finished and I love it. Yes, as y'all can see on the camera, when I was videotaping, you can see that pink stain, but always right there, and I was painting pink stain right there. But it's only one little spot, so I really don't care. So this how it turned out. It's very vibrant and it's cute. But I won't try it on right now because the leg right here is still a little wet. So I'll show y'all something I already painted. Okay, so I just ironed them because Kyla just told me that you're supposed to iron it before you wear it, like before you wash it, so that the paint won't come off because it's acrylic and yes, it's not fabric. It's already crap because I already wore it, so yeah, it has a stain right here because I wore it to school and you know, it suffers on the chair. So yeah, it's like this. So I'm gonna go iron these. Let me see if it's done dry. Not even close. You can see this right, but this is dry. It's so nice. So yeah, I'm probably gonna paint something else. So I might do 3 things. That right there, this, right here, and then make those pants into some shorts. So yeah, see y'all on the next one. I'm gonna start off with these. These are rainbow. It's just a simple little thing. So let me get the pants. Okay. I'm gonna need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. And purple. I think I'll wash up the paintbrush. I don't feel like green. So, let's get some red paint out. And do the next one. So I'm going to come back when I get done because it's not that hard. I just finished it and it's so cute. I'll show y'all. Like, it's cute if y'all can see. No, it's totes cute. So I'm gonna let that dry. Those other pants are drying, so I'm going on top. The last pair I'm going to do are these for today because, well, if I want to, because I want to do roses down here, but that's going to take a long time because my legs are long. And look how many roses that'll be to do. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to just get iron-on patches. I might just get iron-on patches for these, so yeah. Stay tuned for me getting some shorts and iron-on patches on those, so yeah. For this, I'm going to start with that, but I forgot how the picture looks. So I'm going to go onto Kyla's computer. So I'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, so it's like 10 o'clock at night. So I didn't finish videotaping because my mom got home, so I just stopped. So here are these. I didn't videotape these because I did it like on Tuesday or Wednesday, I can't remember. So I did these. Then I did those rainbow ones that you saw. Y'all saw this one, and this one, the checker one. The checker one turned out good. And I spotted another spot of pink paint. Okay. So I might just try them on for y'all. Y'all can see how it looks. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so these are the first trees. Well, I underestimate, they're actually right here. Okay, so they're like this. I'm holding this shirt so y'all actually see the whole thing. So the checker goes all the way down. It's very vibrant. I rated let's see, an 8. I think I could have done better, like if I took more time, but I really didn't feel like it. So yeah, it looks actually good. So I'll make it spin. So yeah, on to the next pair. Okay guys, go hold the shirt again. Yes, I need to wear a belt with these jeans. So yeah, I really like the rainbows. It's simple and stuff. Yeah, so it's cute and stuff. It's simple, I like it, but I really think I'm gonna take these off. So these were actually, I sewed it, but I think I'm gonna undo it because it's feeling a little tight when it's folded like this. So I'm gonna undo it, and this, I don't know, probably gonna do it and cut it short like this and make it further out like this other shorts I'm gonna try in a minute. So yeah, these are cute. None of these are Levi jeans, so yeah. So, on to the next jeans. So I actually didn't finish these jeans because I didn't feel like painting more. So I'm gonna turn it so you can see it. So as you can see, it's like clouds, sun, and then like an ocean. But right here, I want to write like honey right here, like just honey across, and it'll be very cute. And I like how it's like actually figured out. I kept trying to figure like these out right here, but I wouldn't make any, so that's what I have right there. So yeah, I really like these shoes. Okay. These are the last pair, and they're cute. I made my own pair. Like I made the own rips for myself. I first threw jeans, and they were humongous. As you like that. So yeah. Has fire, a red fire with a rip right here, and blue fire with no rips. So yeah. Just simple. I like the rips, and it's covering out the pockets. So can't get dressed code at school. I hate my school. They're so strict. So yeah. This I have one. It's field days next Thursday, no school next Friday, so I'm happy. Next Friday, I'm gonna be planning Devin's our brother's birthday party is gonna be next Saturday, and then the last week of school is our brother's birthday, and we're gonna be off that day because there's no more school. So we're lucky. So yeah, I like it, and it's cute. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below in the description. What am I saying? Don't forget to like, subscribe down below, push the notification bell to hear our latest videos, and don't forget to comment down below to say what other foodies we should do, because y'all haven't, but y'all should. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye.